Hi everyone, welcome to Algebra 1, Solving Complex Inequalities, where we are going to solve some easy practice problems. Really quick, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. So for problem 1, we have an inequality where it's saying 6 squared is greater than whatever is on this right side. Our strategy is going to be to try to simplify as much as we can, number one. Then we're going to isolate the variable on one side, and then we're going to solve. So for simplification, I want y'all to think about PEMDAS, which is parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. I want you to think about using the distributive property wherever you can, which is what we're going to use here. And we do have some exponents on the left side. And combining like terms. Those are the most common things that will involve simplifying inequalities and or equations. So we're going to do PEMDAS. So we have parentheses and exponents. So we'll do the parentheses part first. So we are going to distribute this 4 inside. So we're going to do, it's going to be 4x plus 8. And then 6 squared is 36. Then we're going to try to isolate the variable. So that means we want it by itself. So if we have a positive weight, we're going to subtract 8. That's going to give us 24. I apologize, 28 is greater than 4x. And then to isolate even more, since it's multiplied, we're going to divide by 4. That's going to give us 7. For number 2, looks like we're going to be doing some more distribution. So we have now, this is going to be 6 minus 3x is less than negative 3x plus 3. Really quick, we don't have to go much further because the variables on the left, the variable term on the left and the right are the same. We have a negative 3x and a negative 3x. So we can kind of disregard that. I'm going to kind of like make a notation that we're disregarding it because it's the same. And then you bring down everything else and see if it's true. So we have a 6 on the left side is less than 3. Is that true? 6 is never less than 3. So it's actually false. Therefore, this notation means therefore. The answer is no solution. And then for the last one on this page, I'm going to isolate the variable. So I'm going to do positive 3m. So positive 3m. We have 5 plus 5m. And there's nothing on this side. So I'll just put like 0 because there's nothing on this side. This is canceled out. I have to isolate. So since it's being added, I'm going to subtract. So now I have 5m is less than negative 5. Divide by 5. M is going to be less than negative 1. Alrighty, the last 3 problems. Let's do some more. There's going to be a lot of simplification involved here because we have exponents, distribution. Let's get to going. So that's going to be negative 8 plus 20 is greater than 9 minus x. Oh, one moment. Let's disregard this one, guys, because it's not complete. For the sake of time, let's move on because I did not write the exponent. All right, for this one, we're going to do negative 6. Let me write that better. Negative 6 plus 3x is greater than or equal to 6x plus 6. I'm going to subtract the 3x to isolate it on the right side. So I have negative 6 is greater than or equal to 3x plus 6. Then I'm going to subtract 6 on both sides to cancel this. Then I have negative 12 is greater than or equal to 3x. Divide that by 3. And that's going to be negative 4 is greater than or equal to x. And the last one, for practice sake, and that's what math is always going to be, guys, just practicing your work. We need to see how we can isolate the best. I'm going to bring this 16x to this side. So since it's positive, I'm going to do negative 1.6x, negative 1.6x. That's going to be canceled. And then I have 1.9x, then minus 1.8, 3.9. Then I'm going to add 1.8 to both sides to get rid of this. So I have 1.9x is less than 5.7 divided by 1.9 divided by 1.9. X is going to be less than 3. That's it for this video on easy questions. Follow me to the next one where I'm going to go over difficult questions.